You think life is complicated? Wrong. Life is laughably simple. Every self-help book is 300 pages saying, eat less, move more. Every relationship advice boils down to communicate and care. Every success story, work consistently on something valuable. But that's boring. We need the 47-step morning routine, the revolutionary diet with a trademark. While you're searching for complex solutions, life is screaming simple answers. Simple doesn't sell books. Simple doesn't make you feel special. We create complexity. We hate simple answers. The harder you try, the more you fail. Sleep. Can't force it. Happiness runs when chased. Love. Try to make someone love you. See how that goes? It's called the backwards law. The more you want something, the more it eludes you. Desperate people repel opportunities. Needy people repel relationships. Stressed people repel peace. Yet what do? Try harder. What works? Effort without attachment. The more you try to control everything, the less control you actually have. You plan every minute of your day, and then life throws you a curveball anyway. Control is like holding water in your hands. You can only control two things: your actions and your reactions. Stop trying to be life's CEO. Be a surfer riding waves. Master the ride, not the ocean. While you sleep, your brain runs a full cleaning crew. Like janitors working the night shift, cerebral spinal fluid washes through your brain tissue, clearing out toxins that build up during the day. One night of poor sleep leaves metabolic waste in your brain. We're basically walking supercomputers that need nightly maintenance. Happiness is like a cat. Ignore it, and it jumps in your lap. Win the lottery. You'll be back to baseline in 6 months. Happiness isn't a destination. It's a byproduct of meaningful living. Your brain isn't a truth-seeking machine. It's a pattern-matching machine with delusions of objectivity. You judge others by their actions, but yourself by your intentions. Awareness is your superpower. 90% of your decisions are emotional. Only 10% are logical. Your emotions are smarter than your thoughts. Use the pause between feeling and action. Your memories aren't recordings. They're more like Wikipedia pages that anyone can edit. You're already editing your past. You might as well edit consciously. 20% of what you do creates 80% of your results. Focus on the vital 20%. Stop optimizing the 80% that doesn't matter. You don't have bad habits. You have effective loops with terrible rewards. Upgrade the routine, keep the reward. 1% daily improvement equals 37x growth in a year. Small choices create massive results over time. Read 10 pages daily. That's 12 books a year. Save $5 daily. That's $1,825 plus interest. Life isn't about finding yourself. It's about creating yourself. Accept what you can't control. Master what you can. Compound tiny improvements daily.